Hello kids, welcome to this part of the video. In this part of the video, we are going to learn the chapter 4, that is long and short. And in this chapter, we are going to learn how to measure the things. Okay. So when we have some things, we can also tell that this one is a big and this one is a small. Okay. So just look at this. If I draw a circle here and another circle here, we can easily see at this thing and can say that this circle is big and this circle is same. Okay, just that here is two lines. Okay, so looking at these two lines, we can easily say that this one is big and this one is small. Okay, but when there are some equally or similarly same measurement, okay, when there is this kind of lines, that we have to measure that which one is bigger and which one is small. Okay, so when you are at home, you also have seen that your hands are short in comparison with your father's or mother's, and your little brother's sister's hands were small in comparison to you. So this is how measurement is done. Okay, we can measure things by using our hand span like this, or by our fingers, or by our feet. We can measure the things by our feet. Just put our feet, just walk from one point to another point like this. You are standing at this point, you walked up to this point, and you will count how much feet you just walked there, and that will also be a measurement. Okay, so how we do measurement? Okay, so here we have these two things. As you all know, these all are known as scales. Okay, this is a how much 15 centimeter scale, and this one is a 30 centimeter scale. Okay, and we use it to measure. Like I put it here and I draw a line. So this one is a 15 centimeter line. For this, I put it here and I drew a line. Okay, so now this one is a 30 centimeter line. Okay, normally this one is a big scale, and this 15 centimeter scale we usually use to measure things, as it is much more found in our pencil boxes. Okay, so how we are going to do measurement with this? Okay, so suppose I am making a scale here, and you have seen that scale always starts with the 0. Okay, so I make it a 12 unit scale. Okay, I can't say it is a 12 centimeter because it is much more bigger than that. So I say that it is a 12 unit scale. Okay, I put the scale here. Okay, now I will measure how much is there from 0 to 2. Okay, so this scale, okay, this small scale I measured, so it is 2 units. let's measure the bigger scale. So I put it from here. Okay, it is around 4. It is in the middle of the, so it is 3.5. So this long scale is 3.5. Okay, you can say 3.5 units. Okay. And also we can measure other things like this duster. Okay, I will measure it from here. This duster is up to this, that means it is 1.5. So our duster is 1.5 units long. Okay. And also we use another thing, that is hand length. From this elbow to the tip of this our middle finger, it is named as the arm length. Okay. So how much unit is our arm length? So I put it here, from here to this. Okay. So it here 5. So this arm length is 5 units. Okay. My arm length is 5 units. Your arm length might be smaller than me or bigger than me. Okay. So why a scale always starts with a 0. Okay. So look, when we will measure from 0, and if a thing is only 1 unit, you can say that this is 1 unit. Okay. And it is easier that from 0 to 1, then it is 1 unit, 0 to 2, 2 unit, 0 to 5, 5 unit. If we measure from 1, look here, from 1 to 2, but it will be 1 unit. So sometimes it might be a little confusing for you. From 1 to 2 is 1 unit, 1 to 3 it is 2 unit. So sometimes we got confused, and that's why the scale always starts with a 0. Okay. So just like that, some things are here, we can measure them. So here your math book, let's measure it. We put it from 0 and it becomes 3. So our book is 3 units long. Okay, our book is 3 units long. So you can use many other things. Okay, let's measure another thing, that is chalk. Chalk is less than 1 unit. Okay, or you can say that it is up to 1 unit. You can measure your arm length, your hand span from here to here. So this is our hand span is 2 units. Okay. Yeah. Our hand span is 2 units. So there is a very fun thing for you, that you can take many other things from your home and you can measure them, that, and when you are measuring, you can only measure it with another thing. You can say this single thing is big or small. Okay, if I put this piece of chalk, this chalk is bigger, but if I put pen, then the chalk is smaller. Okay, so when we are measuring things, we always measure things with comparison to another thing. Okay, so this is how you will measure a thing. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.